Okay, nice bit of Teflon block. Might need to clamp this engine down. So I'm gonna take the camshaft out today. Comes out from the forward side. Followers, keeping them all together. Yesterday we managed to loosen that. I think it was a 27mm deep socket. And just stop that rotating. So that's loose. So yeah, there's only one cam on this. Let's go. First, I've got to get this spindle out for the followers. Now, I think you have to put a bolt in there and pull them. Never threaded. Okay. This will work. Okay, that's just to grab. I loosen that. It's a little retaining bolt. Okay, maybe the side. And pull some pliers. And pull on this spindle. It should just pull out. Yeah, there she comes, quite easy. Okay, and I want to keep this exactly how this came out, so there we go. And off like that. That came off like that. Same on the other side. Right, same again. And it's checking it's the left side. Retaining bolt. Put it in the tub so I forget to pack it away. And same principle, just a bit further in. I screwed an engine bolt, one of these engine casing bolts. He says, right, why is that? Is that because something's happening here? Let's go. Bigger pliers. So you can't mix this up because there's only one screw thread, but you can mix this lot up quite easily. Goes like that. Just goes like that. Okay. Right, I think let's take this off, and it's going to come this way, so that shouldn't cause problems. So I think all the work is on this side, so I'll take this off. Might be a pick or something. Right, one nut. Some washer. says outside. It's kind of dimpled. Okay. There's a key there. Is that loose, I guess? Let's get it out. Make sure. Doesn't feel like it. So, okay, and then I think, look in here. There's a washer. It's going to fall off there. You see that? So there's a washer there. Nothing there. That's just a big hole. There we go. Voila. How does it look? Not sure about this. There's no lips. Although that's not very nice. I'll have to measure this, I think, quite soon. Not the best looking. See, it goes nice dark, and that's a sharp edge there. It's worn down, and there, and there. Might have to get a new one. Taking these pistons out. Okay, so in case I missed the last time, there's 2 nuts. Turn the crank, get access to it. 12 mils, I think. Put the case on the side. Good to go. Lucky, it will just kind of battery itself. There's a gap. If you just give it a look, you see the gap. That's for later. Could do is this. See the gap there? I can just drift that. It's a Teflon thing. Bang. Won't do any damage. And it's out. Piston coming out. Is bearing. Pistons don't look too bad. I'm no expert, but it's okay to me. That's fine. Back this up. And so my main concern about everything is these bores. I'm hoping they're still in limits, because if they're not, it's game over, I think. But I mean, it's hard to tell, but they're not scored at least. But you can't bore these out because you can't get replacement pistons. So it's kind of scrap. Everything else you can repair or change. Okay, we shall see.